Good morning, children. Welcome back to the English class. As you know, already we have completed 7th chapter. Now today we are going to discuss the 8th chapter, that is about tense. So there is a question: what is the meaning of tense? And there is a beautiful answer. Tense tell us about the time and when an action is performed. That means the tense always related with the action. I want to give you one example. Suppose when you wake up early in the morning, the food what you takes, that is called breakfast. That means breakfast you take in the morning. Then afternoon when you take the food, that is called lunch. That means in the afternoon you can take only lunch, and the food which you are having at night, that is called dinner. So here you can see the three different way of action in different time. Morning the food it is called breakfast, the same food. And what are the foods you are taking in the afternoon, that is called lunch. At night what you are taking, that is called dinner. So here I want to say the times and the action always it is related with the time and action both are related to one another. Okay, thank you. Next, here one example is given here. Okay, one more example. Read the following sentence. Children play in the garden. The children play in the garden, that is their regular duty. This play it show about the present tense. Okay, this show about the present tense. That means in the above sentence the verb tells us the action is done now, it is present time, the action is going here. That means it show the present tense. Same way, here it is play, here it is written played. Children played in the garden. Here it is play and here it is played. Ed. Extra two word are added here. Played. In the above sentence, the verb played tell us that the action took place at an earlier time in the past. See, this action has already done in the earlier, that means in the past, but this action is done now, that means present. Okay, could you find the difference between present and past? It will show which has already gone, and the present will show what is happening now. Okay, now look at here, number B. Now read some more sentences, present tense and past tense. Look at here, number 1. Radha writes a poem. Past tense, Radha wrote a poem. So see the action of the work, how it changed. Okay, their meaning is same, but it took place in different times. Okay, number 2. I jumped with a joy. This is happening now, this was happened before. Okay, so like 3 and 4 in the same way. Now look at here, number C. Words in the present tense can be changed to the past tense by adding ed, d or ed. Okay, look at here, some of the words it show the present tense and this show the past tense. So how this word changed? Okay, how these words are changed, look at here. Okay, then first we will see this one, this box. You see it is written leave, L-I-V-E, leave. So what is the past form of leave? Lived, L-I-V-E-D. Then hope, then hoped. Smile, then smiled, dive, dived, raise, raised, walk, walked, learn, learned, brush, brushed, talk, talked, rush, rushed, sing, sang, drive, drove, swim, swam, catch, caught, meet, met. Okay, these are the words how they changed. Now goes to next page. Look at here, the exercise. There is 1 and 2. In question number 1 there are 10 question, and in question number 2 also there are 20 question. Okay, look at here. First question is that change the following words into past tense by adding ed or d. Like that, in the first page what did you learn exactly same thing you will do here. Okay, the where you can add ed or where you can add d. The some are done here. Number 1, clean, cleaned, ed, cleaned, cleaned. Then want, not written, invent, not in, close, closed. Then cool, cooled. Then show, showed. The which one has not done, you will do it by yourself. Okay, the number which has not done, you will do it by yourself. Then come to next. Change the word into past. 1 is done for you. Here there is nothing to add, you just find out the past word. Okay, teach, taught, write, wrote, stand, stood, run, ran, sit, sat, give, gave, play, played, walk, walked, drink, drank, dance, danced, swim, swam. Okay, these things I had done for you. Now students, it is your turn. You just find out and write in the line. You will fill this one here and this one here. After finishing this one, then you will note down in your note copy. Okay, the students are requested, please note down this exercise according to the chapter in your fair notebook. Students, I think this much is enough and you have understood. Thank you. May God bless you.